Honey, I can hear the rain. It sounds soft.
Good morning, honey. It is raining. Please make tea for me.
Okay, I will make tea. Rain makes it special. Kim, your tea is ready.
Thanks, honey.
Mom, Dad, rain is starting.
The rain is falling. The trees are moving. Everything looks fresh.
Yes, honey. But I'm very hungry.
Yes, Mom. I like breakfast. Mom, you are the best cook ever.
Yes, honey.
Thanks, dear. Cooking is my passion. I tried my best for every day.
This story is calm. Rain makes it better. We are together.
You draw rain. You draw trees. Our home is beautiful.
Thanks, Mom, Dad, for helping me. Mom, Dad, rain is not stop. I'm tired. I need sleep.
Okay, dear. You go to sleep. After change you clothes.
Good night, Mom. Rain helps me sleep. I feel safe.
The rain is gone.
The air is fresh.
The world is clean.